let's look at another one, rational function. Functions yang rasional. Rational function is basically anything that has you have a function up here and a function down there. Okay. Let's see. Examples are, let's say, f of x divided by 2. That's a rational function. Okay. Or a more the harder one, for example, if you have fx equals to 3x up here divided by x minus 1. So that's a rational function. Okay. Another example, just to give you something, this is also a rational function. Okay, so anything that have these two. So rational functions are, well, it's a type of functions, but usually when you come across rational functions, there's a problem. Like for polynomials, you have to find roots, but for for rational functions, usually you will come up with a problem of partial fraction. So what is partial fraction? Okay, so let me give you an example. Partial fractions is, okay, you have given f of x equivalent to 3x over x minus 1 x plus 2. Okay, so express this function in terms of something divided by x minus 1 plus b something x plus 2. Okay, so basically the question is asking you to express this right here in this form. So you break this into two terms. Okay, how do you do that? Well, first and foremost, both of them needs to be equal. 3x divided by x minus 1 x plus 2 needs to be equal to whatever that here, a up here. We're gonna find that. I don't know what that is. Also here, b, I don't know what that is. We need to find that as well. Okay, so we need to express this in terms of this. So let's equate that. Okay, so right now let's work on the right hand side. This is easy. You have done this. X plus 2 plus bx minus 1 divided by x minus 1 x plus 2. Easy, right? So this is equivalent to x minus 1, of course. So now if you notice, the thing up here is equivalent to this. Yes? Okay, so I can rewrite that again as this form. 3x is equivalent to ax plus 2 plus bx minus 1. I can ignore the thing down here. I can ignore this because you know, it's the same, so I can just equate the first up here. All right, so now, okay, our job was actually to find a and b. So how do we do this? So easy way is to eliminate this one first. Eliminate b first so that you can find a, and then next thing we need to do is eliminate a to find b. How to eliminate? You see this here, so it's x minus 1, right? So how to eliminate this? So we need to make this equals to 0, so that we can eliminate this and calculate this. Okay, so let's try this. Let x equals to 1. What will happen? So we know that 3 times 1 a x plus, oh sorry, not x. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus b 1 minus 1. Haha, this is 0, so I can cancel this out. So I'm left with just a. I need to calculate that. So this is 3 equals to a times 3. Easy. So a is 1. Haha, I know what a is now. Now I need to find b. So let's use the same method. We need to get this thing out to calculate this. So let's make the 0. So let x equal to make b term 0, and second step is let x equal to -2 to make a term 0. Okay, so how I do that? So again, let's rewrite that. 3x equal to ax plus 2 plus bx minus 1. So I'm letting x equal to 2. So this is x minus 2, a minus 2 plus 2 plus b minus 2 minus 1. Haha, this is 0, so I can ignore that. So I just left with 6. This is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So minus 3b. B is then 2. Nice. So now I know a is 1, b is 2. So I can see this again here. Okay. Copy that again. Oops, I'm not copying it. Why not? Okay. Can't bring it down here. Make it small. Bring it down here. Make it big. Okay. So right now I know that a is 1 and b is 2. So I can write down the answer to be, so 3 of x over x minus 1 x minus 2 is equivalent to 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, and this is a practice what we call finding partial fractions. Okay, it's going to be useful for you to know about this. Okay, so let me tell you this. I need to do this as a homework. Homework means you don't have to send it to me. This is not like high school homework. Okay, homework is you got to do this on your own. Do example 2.32. Okay, the example I given just now is 2.31. Do example 2.32 and 2.34. Okay, which basically means this one, irreducible quadratic factor and repeated irreducible factor. So basically, homework, do examples for irreducible quadratic factor. It's a type of partial fractions as well. Another one is repeated irreducible quadratic factor. Okay. What I've shown you here, this is an example of repeated linear factor. Okay. So that's it. For rational functions, usually if you see this, the problem that is related to it is how to find partial fraction. That's it. Okay, I give you one example already, and then you need to find the other two. Do it. You can look at the textbook, or you can find it on Google. Okay.